Right, you filming?
Yep.
We'll get in close. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we get the privilege to replace a fuel pump on a 2007 Hyundai Sonata. I thought maybe it was out of fuel. We added some fuel, didn't change it. When you turn the key on, you don't hear the vibration or the energization of the fuel pump, so pretty sure it's the fuel pump. I changed it about 6 years ago. Yeah, about 6 years ago, 5 years ago, and it was under warranty, so we got a new pump, and we're going to go through, show you how to replace it. Good thing about this vehicle is it has a little access panel right behind the rear seat on the passenger side. You can access it through the trunk, also push down the back seat so you have access from both sides. Once you get the panel off, take the ring out, pop it out, put the new one in, put the ring back on. So it really isn't too hard or difficult. The hardest part is sometimes getting those rings off and then back on. But anyway, it shouldn't be too bad, and we'll go through and show you how to do it.
I can see
So this is the panel right here. There's just these 4 Phillips head screwdrivers. This comes off, and then right underneath it is the little ring, electrical connector right underneath that you pop off, and it's all right there. Save my knees. Yeah, so that's just the, where's that for the trunk lid? That might be for the, nope, this is for the trunk lid. That one's for the gas cap, or the gas thingy.
Okay, so just take it off.
Yep. Water's got some usage.
probably from the flat template.
Oh, for multiple flats. Probably, yeah. That would be the last one.
The long distance.
Put those off to the side somewhere. You're not going to lose them. And then that comes up, and then right underneath it, there's that electrical connector. Oh, wait a second. How come that electrical neck? That's not even connected. Push that back down into the slot it's supposed to be in. Maybe that's for the sending unit, but
Maybe that's the issue.
maybe that's the issue. Right, well, let's go try to start it.
Don't you love it? Easy fix.
Oh, that would be sweet if that's what it is.
Nice.
Sweet. Is your fuel gauge working?
Seems like it. It says almost just under half. I don't know if that's accurate or not. It is reading something.
Oh, it's that car. I'm like, what the heck's that sound?
And the neighbors are.
Oh, there.
I tried.
Now the fuel gauge seems to be working. Maybe. Right. Wow. You can turn it off. Right.
Outro.
Well, that appears to be one of the easiest solutions ever. It looks like the connector for the fuel pump was undone. When we pulled that panel off, it just was right there. We It's been having problems with the fuel gas gauge not working, or intermittently working, for the last year.
Years, yeah.
So if it was slowly working its way off, it would make sense that it was getting intermittent connectivity on the sending unit as well. So we pushed it back on, it started right up, idles, runs good. Now the fuel gauge actually says it's, you know, just over a quarter tank. So we're gonna cross our fingers and hope that that actually fixed it. So anyway, wish there was more to see, more to say, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.